Welcome back everybody to Southside Boy Style. We're here today working at the 06 1.8 on the Civic, which is my stepdaughter's car. She's been at me, and we're finally going to do some work with it. What we're going to do today, we're going to free up, because it has a seized up alternator. We're going to free up the alternator, get it going. We're going to drive it down to the garage. We're going to sand down the bumper, and we're going to prime it. And if it needs any body work, we're going to do it. And don't forget, you know, I keep saying this in every video, don't forget, you got to leave me a like, you got to leave me a subscribe, and you got to buy me a coffee. Right down there, you can buy me a coffee. If you just look in the more section, you can buy me a coffee. I'm really thirsty. Working at this junk is making me thirsty all day long. So you got to get at that. So guys, what we got going on here is these 1.8s, 2006 up to 2011, they like to seize in the alternator, and when that happens, they seize up. So if I were to start the car right now, all we would get would be smoke coming because the belt would be completely seized. So what Faith is going to do, she's going to get in there and she's going to spray this pulley right in here on its sides. That's where she's going to spray. Yep. Okay. So by spraying, you get your head in the camera. Huh? Get your head in the camera. Oh. So by spraying it, what she's actually doing is she's putting that lubricant there, because I'm going to have to get a socket and a pipe to free up the alternator. That should be enough. Put it here? Yeah, that should be enough. Not on the belt. She's fired. Okay, so I'm going to go get a socket. So what I'm going to do, guys, I have to get a pipe because I have a pipe here that I always use. This one right here. I gotta find the right socket to put on the pulley down here. Okay, so he's a little bit too big. So that means probably a 24. And that's what it is. Say no more, because we got it done before. Okay. Oh, he's really seized, guys. He's really seized. This is what happens.
Do you want this?
No. We'll get her. It's just going to take some time. Want to try pulling it just for fun? Let's watch her pull at the pipe.
Oh my god. I can't do it.
It's because your nails are too shiny. Okay, you get there. I'll try again.
Yeah, not me. I can't even get it to budge.
I think we should get Camera Girl to try it. I think that's what we should do. You want to try it, Camera Girl? Let's see. She's going to give it a try, guys. Let them all try it, and then I'll continue it.
I ain't gonna get nowhere with
Oh my God, she's like wearing a dress. She's gonna give it a shot. Let's see if she can move it. She moved it.
That's why we call her Butch.
Really? She moved it.
That's why we call her.
Okay, here you go.
I ain't getting nowhere with that.
It's starting to free up a little bit. Not much, but we'll soon be able to start the car. Then the car, oh, here it goes. Now it's free. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I like it when things are free.
Oh my God.
Now, you follow me. Haley. Don't worry, a lot of things are going to cut out. And this mic is continuing for that camera too.
Sick.
We got one. So yes, I know everybody. I know. Stop screaming at the camera. Stop yelling at me. You're making things hard for me to hear. I am going to be doing work on the 65. It's just taking me some time because I'm a very busy guy. And today I'm working at her car because I promised her I would. But there's going to be a lot of work coming on the 65 in weeks to come. Finish sanding her down. We got to weld in all of these areas where I took the trim off. And then I got to grind them down, do the body work. So there's a lot of work to come on the 65. I know a lot of you guys are leaving comments. What about the 65? The 65? Well, see, the thing for me is the 65 is not really a priority right now. What's priority is obviously the videos that you guys have been seeing, working on the other cars, brakes and everything else. Regards of the Honda Civic, well, I promised her I was going to do work with it. So that's what we're doing today. So let me get the power pack. Oh, that sucks because it wasn't plugged in. Now, this one wasn't plugged in. You hear I was yelling. Can you get the keys for this car? Well, I'm full charge, so... Oh, no, I'm down one. She's going to go in and she's going to try to start the car. And we're going to keep an eye on this. You only got to hit the screen if you want to see. Like, it doesn't go out or anything, it's just that it's a battery saver.
No.
Are you doing anything? Yeah, that's because this one's unplugged. Bear with me, okay?
This is the interior so far. This bit of work probably needs to be done to that there. Probably just might leave it. Then we have all the dash up here.
Any footage you get in there, that camera is listening to you, okay? So you can do whatever you want.
And for
this
the
camera
shift,
listens to me, that camera listens to you guys.
the shift all down here with the handbrake, and even has a red aux cord, or AUX, however you want to pronounce it. That yet needs to be done. Faith? Look at that.
Okay, Faith? She's taking charge from there. This one is dead, see? Okay, I'm going to end this first video and start the second video. Okay, this is the second video from the Canon camera. Again. This one is dead. Well, that sucks. Okay, hold on. Try that. Hold on.
Faith, I heard that wind up. Power. Right? Hey, look at it. Driving a Civ. How do I look driving a Civ? I got your ass on camera.
Okay guys, we're going to give her a boost. Remember, if my 65 Chevy had a child, it will be this 2009 Chevy. Did you realize that, Faith? If that car in there had a baby, this would be the result. So smarten up, youngster. You got shoes to fill. Try that. It's because she's not getting connection. Remember, don't walk in front of that camera, okay? Because then you're blocking that camera. Sometimes it's easy to forget. Oh, there you go. Now she's getting it. Okay, give her a minute. Turn the key right off. See, you got the cab light on. See? That's the issue, right? Just put your window down now, so that it's down, and you're not faking with ease. We're going to do the rev thing. So I'm going to rev the car. You don't add? Yeah, okay. Tell her to go. Tell her to start it. Start. Tell her to start. Try it. Don't keep forcing it, okay? Yeah. So guys, what could be happening here now is the starter could be seized because she's getting 2 sources of juice. Try it again. Okay guys, so after about 3 hours of messing with it, we got it going. That was a tough one, wasn't it? That was horrible. We ended up, I had to take the belt, the serpentine belt off completely, because this has the one belt for everything.
A lovely belt.
That's her lovely belt, which is in pretty good shape.
It would definitely fit me as well.
Yeah, no, maybe.
Twice.
3 times. So, we've come to the conclusion that the alternator pulley, the alternator is actually toasted. It's done.
It's seized. Done.
And the bolt and the shaft is twisted off inside the alternator. And I took, what I had to do was, because the engine was a little bit seized up, I took out each individual plug. So I took out all the plugs, start winding the car, winding and winding and winding, to let the engine pick up on her natural oil pump, so let the oil pump get oil up around her. We took the battery, Mr. Badass. So it was the bad boy that actually got her going. It was a battery from the 65 that actually got the car going. Faith, you want to do the honors now? Go start the car and show them how it's all working. Now, there's no belt on it, but that's fine. We just got to get alternator, and she'll show you now. Look at that, guys. So it's all running. I just got to get a belt. Yeah. And that's what we got to do. Just get a new belt to put on her. And we got to get a new alternator because the alternator's toasted. You can shut it off now. So right now it has no power steering, no compressor, no nothing, no alternator, because there's no belt. But anyway, we done what we wanted to do, which was get it over here to the garage so we could do some work on the bumper. And I drove it over here nice and easy. Wasn't it, Faith? Wasn't it nice and easy?
You should see the driveway over there. It's not nice and easy.
She tells lies sometimes.
She says
so we're going to set up the camera. I'm going to give her a sander. She's going to start sanding down on the bumper.
all this rough spots.
All
here.
the roughness. Bring it down, and we're going to prime it. I'm going to etch it, prime it. So that'll be good. That'll last. And that'll be that. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so she's all set up. Now guys, look at this guys. Stay still for a second. Look, this is what we have to contend with. Look at the nails. She's a girl that likes doing all this stuff, and I really enjoy teaching her. I'm really proud of her for that. She don't mind getting dirty, but look what she's doing. She got the nails on. So anyway, look how pro she is. She's gonna start sanding this down now. So guys, I'm gonna let her work away and I'll get back to you in a little bit. So how are you finding it? You finding it good? It's not too hard? So you're gonna be ready to use the different grinder for this after this little bit down here.
It should be.
All the other ones, you'll be able to do it?
Should be.
Yeah. Do you know guys, I gotta teach her how to drive to 65 too. God help us all. She's a speed demon. I see her. She don't think I see her sometimes in the other car, but I see her. Big novice sign in the back window. It's kind of hard to miss. Flying around town.
I am live for you.
All right, guys. We'll get back to you in a bit, and I'm going to do a time lapse with some music for you guys, so you guys can enjoy a speeded up time lapse and some music. There you go. All good.
Now when it comes to this over here,
So what happens is when you come to the point where you can't get at this, you got to actually say, but you can do this. Yes. You can get this angle. You'll get so used to this one that you'll be able to, like I did with this So guys, she's making progress. As you can see, she's getting it down. It's a lot of work, but she's actually doing really good. She's bringing it down. Is it hard?
No.
Pretty easy? Yeah. How is it on your nails?
I'm not finding it hard.
These are questions that no body person has ever had to ask anybody else before after doing body work. How's your nails? So it's coming along pretty good.
Got them all.
We got all the rough spots grinded down. We ran around the car. She's still working. She's going to try to get both bumpers done today.
Yeah.
Think so?
Try.
I'm going to try. Yeah, that's all you can do. So we grinded off all the rough spots. There's not a lot on this car. That's actually a dent that we got to fix right there by that door. See, it's not many rough spots, just a few. And there was a couple over here, as you can see, but not a lot. Some of them right there. And she's going to continue. Yeah.
That was the first one you done, wasn't it?
Did I do that one?
With the black one?
Okay guys, you're about to see rust inhibitor
We'll do it just in case.
in action.
I don't know if it was, that was the first one.
She's a rough boss, guys. She's a rough boss. Here, look, protect the light. Try to insert it, like, you know what I mean?
I don't know how well it'll.
You ready for this?
Let me just see if I can tuck this piece.
Well, with nails like that, you should be able to tuck that anywhere. Okay. Ready? Okay. What if I turn it around this way?
No, thank you. That's right on my face. The wind took most of that.
Got it.
Good.
You only need a bit. Just to stop the rust coming back out on it until we get ready to put the Bondo on it. That's all. I got some funky looking glasses on my head here. Take those off. So what do you think, Fate's friend? How's it all going?
Pretty good.
Is it? Are you bored watching her do all the work?
No, loving it.
Yeah, you got to do that one too. All down here.
I'm gonna leave that
All
for
in here.
last because I gotta do this. This is bigger pieces with all that over here.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a lot of work.
It's coming along though.
I've done
Slowly.
a lot of cars. You know what I'm noticing? This is sitting lower here, but it's sitting higher here. Something is off there. Something shifted, yeah.
Now this isn't clipped here either.
No. But see, the lineup is half decent, but we got to fix all those clips too, get those screws out. That's retarded. Got to get all that out, get it fixed. It's not too bad. It's like I always say, all these Honda Civics got the issues with the clips always coming out on the bumpers. Every section of this car where the bumpers are clipped on, the clips are broke. Got to figure that one out. Alright, so guys, I'm going to end this video here now. And the next time you see this car, she'll probably have it all sanded down. And then we'll do a video of putting Bondo on rough spots and stuff like that. She'll be working at it. I'll be with her. She'll probably come around and I'll have a bunch of stuff done anyway to make life easier when I'm home from work. Alright, so guys, we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, as always, just don't forget to give me a like, hit me with a subscribe, and I'm always thirsty, so you can give me a coffee. And you know what? Buy her a coffee too. Let them know you're a thirsty girl, you need coffee too.
I like coffee.
There you go. So that'll be it for this one, guys. See you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Southside Boy Stalls out.